Night Squad, we're going on, boy. I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, man, coming back with another review for you guys. Today is Saturday, November 17th, and I think today is the day that the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year drops today. So good luck to everybody who out there trying to get your pairs for those. Me personally, I had to pass, man. I still got all these Jordan 1s behind me I haven't worn yet. I don't think I've worn one Jordan 1 that I bought this year. All of them are just DS laced behind me. So I'm tired of just wasting money on cops that I don't plan on wearing. A lot of times I do impulse buys, like I just buy them just because I see them, or sometimes I buy them because I think I want them. I can't do that no more. So I will be passing on Rookie of the Years. Maybe I get them later down the line, but as of today, your boy Sniper Jones is here to show y'all my grail that I picked up this weekend. Let me know if any of you guys were able to pick these up. These are indeed the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Zebras. Damn, that's a long ass name. Y'all know how I'm rocking about these, man. This is my grail. If you have not seen my pickup video, it was lit and y'all loved it, so I'm glad to do videos that y'all love. I will link my video right above me, but before we get into all the riffraff, if you don't already follow me on IG, you need to go ahead and do that, man. I'm trying to hit 13K on there, so go ahead and follow me on the gram, boy. Also hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of this history, man. We gonna hit 10K before the end of the year. Now I'm not sure where we at right now, but the last time I checked, we was somewhere around, we was pushing 8,000, so that's amazing. We still got the whole month of November and we still got the entire month of December in order to do that. So we got some time, man. It's gonna be tough, but I'm telling you, we can do it if y'all just hit that sub button. SneakerCon Houston, I will be there December 1st. So if any of you guys out there in the H-Town, pull up on your boy. SneakerCon, I will be there, man. SneakerCon is always fun. It's always dope to get a chance to meet everybody that watch your videos, because y'all know me, man. Y'all know your boy Sniper Jones. Super humble, super thankful for everybody who just sit back, watch, comment, and just show love, man. So pull up if you're gonna be there and chop it up with me getting the vlog. I'm seeing pictures and I'm seeing a lot of people, even YouTubers, throwing these on the gram and saying that they're sitting in malls. And I'm surprised, but I'm not surprised. I'm surprised because I'm surprised like this colorway is sitting. Like if it was the creams or the butters, I really wouldn't be surprised. I'm not sure like the number of manufactured pairs that they dropped with this Zebra, but I knew it was a lot. The Zebra to me is like the Concord Jordans 11s to like the Jordan 11. It's like that one. This to me is like that Concord for the V2s, in my opinion. It's the best one, and it's like the one that just everybody rock with. I don't know nobody who doesn't like this shoe. By this being so basic, just a white and black colorway and that red with this Supply 350 on the side to give it that pop. It's a neutral color and everybody really seems to like it. And I might just double up if they keep sitting on shelves, because hey, one to rock and one to stock. These are my ones right here. But without further ado, let's get into this review, because man, I can't wait to do this on foot. I ain't gonna hold you. I've been waiting for at least a year and a half, 2 years to put these on feet. We gonna start off with the box. The box is size 12. You already know how we repping. Size 12 gang. The color blocking on this joint is white, sea black, and red. So that is basically it for the box, and we don't really need it no more. Now for the Zebra Yeezy, man. Like I said before, this is the most sought after in my opinion. This is a size 12, it's my size. The thing with Yeezy sizing is it's not really true to size. It's very, very tight. So if I was you, I would always go like a half a size up, sometimes a full size up, depending on what size you wear. I know a lot of people take the insoles out. I don't take the insoles out. I just kind of, you know, lace them kind of cool, so I ain't really got to be too nudged on my feet. That's just something for my new Yeezy guys, because I know a lot of y'all told me in the comments that this was your first Yeezy pickup, and bro, what if like if this is your first pickup, bro, like you'll go. You got the Zebras, bro, for your first pickup. So we're gonna start off with the soles of the sneaker. Originally, the Zebra V2 had like a dark vanilla type sole on the bottom, like this back heel strip right here all the way down to the forefront of the sole had like that dark vanilla colorway to it, and they took that off of the remakes, or they took that off of the ones that were re-released. Me personally, I like this a lot better. I actually hope when they re-release the semi-frozen yellows, they don't make it the peanut butter bottom. If any of y'all seen like earlier pictures of the semi-frozen yellows, it never had the peanut butter bottom. They kind of added that towards the end. It had all like this whole entire sole was just that semi-frozen greenish yellow look, you know what I'm saying? So if they can re-release those and those become one colorway, that would be a lot better in my opinion. But when it comes to these Zebras, I like that they did the all white. The vanilla kind of just, the dark vanilla just kind of, to me, threw it off a little bit, and it really didn't make no sense. It was just like a stripe, a color that didn't really, it wasn't really necessary. But the dope thing for collectors is like if you have an original pair, you can differentiate the two. So later down the line, you know, if you're a collector and everybody now is gonna have these. I mean, they sitting on shelves in some stores. So everybody's gonna have these. If you wanna be one of them guys like, hey bro, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this the Yeezy thing, you feel me? I got the old pair, you know what I'm saying? You can show him your soul and you can be like, hey, look, no cap. Like, he really do got the old ones. He been had these. What's funny to me is I remember when these were resold for almost $1,200 when the first time they dropped. They were super limited and they were hard as hell to get. Online, in stores. Even like, this is back when the Adidas app was like everything. When you had to get your Yeezys on Adidas app. They were super tough. And then the second time they released, they were even more tough. And now the third time they released, they were very, very easy. Now moving up into your uppers, of course you get that Supply 350 right there on the sneaker. Now to me, that is like one of the dopest parts. They say it stands for St. Pablo loves you. You know what I'm saying? I've never seen Adidas confirm that. I know a lot of Yeezy heads or a lot of Adidas heads either gonna be clowning me in the comments for not knowing that or clowning me for thinking that's what it stands for. But at the end of the day, hey look man, I'm not perfect, all right? I love sneakers. I just never seen Adidas co-sign that. I've seen people that love the shoe be like, yo, that's what it stands for. But I mean, Adidas never really confirmed that, so I don't know. 350 on the side, man. And honestly, bro, this was like one of those shoes where fakes was made. It was so many fakes that this shoe made. Between this shoe and probably like the Pirate Blacks, it's so many fake Pirate Blacks out there. That's crazy. Design on this shoe is dope, right? Because you can look at other sneakers or other Yeezy V2s like, let me see, what we got? What we got? Okay, cool. So, you got the Belugas right here. And you can see they kind of got like the same pattern, the same wave pattern. But what I think stands out between these is just the colorway, man. Like, you can look at a shoe like this, the Beluga 2.0, and even though it had the same wave pattern, you just don't get that same zebra stripe effect that you do because of the color blocking. The white and the black is super dope, and it's just, man, I'm telling y'all, the reason why this shoe is the best out of all of them is because it's perfect. Like, what can't you rock with this? Like, how can't you not style this? It's the perfect blend, and honestly, in my opinion, it's the best V2 that has released to this date. Right on the back, you get your little dotted lines on your pull tab area. That's another way how you can spot out fakes. I watch a lot of videos on how to spot fake Yeezys and stuff like that. Hopefully though, with these, man, everybody is buying straight out of the mall because, like I said, I think they were easy to get. And even if you don't get them straight on the mall, you can still get them on StockX for a good price just because of they're not really moving too fast. So if I was you guys, don't buy hand in hand on something that you can get and guarantee that it is real. I was talking to a person earlier and we was talking about what is the better shoe between the Adidas Yeezy and the Human Race. Me personally, I would take a Yeezy over a Human Race any day. As y'all see, I got Human Races behind me. For real, Human Race is just more like a sock. Like, it's just a sock. These laces, like, you can take these laces out and it does nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, the laces on a Human Race does nothing. It doesn't tighten up the shoe. It doesn't loosen up the shoe. It's actually just there for style, really. The Yeezy, on the other hand, gives you different ways to rock it. You can, what a lot of people do, you know what I'm saying, the hype beast ways, you can just unlace them, you know what I'm saying, pull them out and have them like a wide look. Or you can do what I do. I honestly just keep mine tied up like this, you know what I'm saying, depending on what's going on, and then it just give you like a tighter knit feel to it. As a matter of fact, if y'all let me know down below in the comment section which shoe you like better between Human Race and the Yeezy V2s, I will shout you out in my next video like I did last time. But enough of all that rambling, it's time for On Foot. I'm not really gonna give y'all too many looks because honestly I'm in a rush right now. I got 3 places to be and I'm already behind because of this video. So I'm gonna just try to make this On Foot as dope and quick as possible. I'll see y'all back when we're done. Alright you guys, man, we are back from the On Foot. I would just like to thank each and every last one of y'all for watching the video, man. Thank you for supporting as always, man. Dearly from your boy, Sniper Jones. Comment down below, tell me if you were able to pick these up. How you feel about them sitting, man? Like, Yeezy sitting. Is it really a big deal? I don't think so. It's a lot of them out there, shit. Get them while you can at the end of the day. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Once again, hit the notification bell. And also follow me on the gram, man. Do not forget to follow me on the gram. Do giveaways on my story. And I also just hit back everybody who DM me or just at me. You know what I'm saying? Get at me, bro. Follow me on the gram. Other than that, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Hope y'all have an amazing weekend. And until next time, I will link up with y'all. Gang, gang.